On this day, I'm giving these items to the victims of the flood and wind disaster. This is a sample. We distributed this item according to clusters. So each cluster contains of 17 beneficiaries. So this cluster contains 17. These are the representative of the cluster. So in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I'm handling these items to this cluster.
Tree planting is very important things to do. So I call for the people, even if you caught one, please plant 10. And again, it's very important to understand the importance of not blocking waterways. Blocking waterways is a very serious problem which is causing a lot of things that we are seeing. Thank you.
People, communities should be very careful to please sanitize their environment. They should make awareness, putting dust, refuse to block the drainages to prevent this flood and wind. We have conducted many stakeholders meeting, awareness, sensitizing people, and the government has been assisting those that have the disaster, those that are victims of this disaster.
The number of local governments now affected are even more than the predicted ones. So for that, I still call on the people of Kano State. Let us come out. Let us be. Let us try and be patriotic, more patriotic than ever. We have a listening governor who is always ready, his ears always on the ground, trying to see how he can solve the problems of Kano people. Why should we let him down? Because most of the problems now you are seeing that is happening. People somehow refuse to abide by all the preachings and the announcement made.
Da aka yi mana kuma muna godiya bisa ga wannan tallafi da aka bamu. Mun gode Allah ya saka da alkhairi. Allah ubangiji ya sa wannan gwamnati ta fi haka.
San alkhairi. An ba mi shinkafa da masara da magi da bargo da tabarma gashi a gabanmu. Allah ibiya, Allah isa gwamnati ta fi haka.
AIT.live, on air, online, online.